Okay. So question 1 and 2, we know it's true. Then it comes. So it says for the next 9 questions, we will review the PTC testing study with different data. Out of the 7 females in the samples, 52 can taste PTC. Out of 59 males in the sample, 42 can taste PTC. Please use the data presented here. So now we're going to use that, right?
Yes. So in the Excel sheet, you're just going to put the 52 for the X1 and the 70 for the one for the females, and then the 42 for the X2 and 59 for the N2 for the males.
That's the males, yes.
And then the type of test is that they're not equal.
Yeah.
And so what's the first question ask you?
Use the data in the table to find P1. So the
P1 0.743.
Yeah, I got that. Yeah.
Okay.
Great.
All right. And then what's the next one?
So just do you know what Excel we are using, Ryan, or you want Pauline to share her screen?
I can't share my screen because it's not my computer.
Oh, yeah. I know. Yeah. Okay, that's okay. Sorry. Oh.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Okay, now we need to find the p hat 2.
And the p hat 2, I got 0.712.
Yes, I got that too.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Hey, sorry,
Yeah.
I'm still trying to get everything set up. But what did you get for number 3
Oh,
and 4?
0.712. With Excel, it looks like so easy, but I was not sure about it.
Yeah, no, it does look very easy.
Okay, so number 5. I'm not sure about number 5.
That one I'm not. What does it ask you?
Is which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research questions?
So it's like, just the 1 equals 2 and the 1 doesn't equal 2.
Yeah, is that the first one, right? Because that's not equal.
Yeah, the last one, they make it the p hat is not equal, and that's so they try to throw you off.
Yeah. Okay, so it's the first one.
Yeah.
So in number 6, it's like we have the P1 and P2 together, and we have to divided by 2, right?
That one I have no idea. That one I messed up on. I still don't know what the point estimate is.
So I think it's the middle, or no, it's the middle.
Okay, so what number do you think it is?
I got 0.031. 0.031.
Okay, that's what we're gonna put because I don't have the faintest idea. What do you think, Ryan?
Sorry, I'm having a little bit of difficulties trying to get everything going. So I'm still working on it. Sorry.
That's okay.
We'll just wait for Ryan so he can get caught up.
Can you send me the file? It's not pulling up for me.
I can't send it.
She can send it, and I can open it in my computer with my with my Excel that doesn't work. So I opened it on my job. I was working there. And so that's how I got this number, but it seems too easy for me that I was not sure. So I said, you better just wait for Pauline.
Yeah, and I did the test without you guys and I got a 70%. So I'm like, I'm gonna have them help me out.
Okay, we're gonna help each other today. That's okay.
Yes.
Okay, so then number 7. Oh, we can tell you the answers and then you can write down, Brian, if you want it, or
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah.
how about if you just copy from 7 on, and then we can go back and give you 3, 4, 5, and 6.
For what exactly? Sorry.
Oh, we are on number 7 now. Did you take notes of the ones before?
Yeah, I'm like following along. I'm just still trying to
Oh,
get it. Like I have the quiz open, but
oh,
I'm trying to
okay.
get the Excel file and everything working.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so number 7
Is the
where's
margin of error is where you take the confidence interval and you do the 0.85 and you minus the negative 0.123. And then you divide that by 2.
Mm-hmm. I got 0.154. No, sorry,
Yeah.
0.154.
Yes, that's what I got too.
Okay. And you got it right?
Let me see if I got it right. Margin of error. No, I didn't get that one right, but I didn't put that answer. It is the point. I put, for some reason my math was off because I was using, somehow I put something in wrong, but it's
Okay.
but no, that one's the right one, the 0.54.
Okay.
And then the number 8, the lower bound is the negative 0.123.
Yeah, number 8, negative, right? Yeah, negative.
Negative 0.123. And then for number 9, for the upper bound, I got 0.185.
Yes, 0.1. Yes, I got the same. For some reason, in number 8, first, I didn't get the negative. First, I get the negative, then I didn't know what I did, then no, and then again, negative.
That's what happened before, and I don't know if I just got a bad a bad file that I opened up or what. But anyway, so that was wrong. So
yeah, with formulas, you just move something and then everything changed. And
yeah, I don't understand, but okay.
okay,
And
we're good. So 9 is 1.85.
0.185.
And then
And
number 10, I'm not sure.
number 10, the p-value is 0.693, and so that's greater than 0.05.
Oh,
so we're
yeah,
going
because fail to reject is P is 100 times bigger than, or is
yes,
it, it's like, it's
it's
like
bigger.
more, it's bigger.
Yeah.
So is fail to reject the number 1?
Yeah,
Or
HO, because that's no. That's the no.
okay.
The other one is the alternative.
Yeah, the alternative. Yeah. Are we running, Ryan? Are you with us?
I'm still listening.
Okay, good.
And then if we fail to reject, then we have insufficient evidence to suggest that the true proportion of females is different from the true proportion of males. So the last one.
The last one,
That's
right? Okay. Yeah. I am so afraid with those questions after that. This is exam number 2 we got.
Yeah, no, I emailed the teacher as soon as I got done with my test, and I was like, I need somebody to explain this to me because I did so bad on the test. I'm like, I'm not getting this. I don't understand it.
Did he say something? Did he say something?
Yeah, he actually calls me right back
Oh, really?
whenever I call him or whenever I text him. He gave
Uh-huh.
me his home phone number, so I just call him. And if
Oh, really?
if he can't talk right that second, he calls me back. He's very good
Oh,
about that.
yeah, I know. He seems so nice, great comments and everything.
Yeah, he's always been very,
Yeah, very, very nice. Okay, so just give me a sec. Um, okay, so then number 9 is again we need to put this. Okay, for the next night question, we will review the mortality rates and day of admission heart attacks. Start with different data.
so
Okay.
so then they're saying that 16,713 died out of the 118,519 on the weekdays, and then for 6155 died of the 42,447 on the weekends. So then P is going to be less than P2 because they're saying more people die on the weekends.
Yeah.
And
So
then,
is that true?
okay, so what's condition for conducting the hypothesis test is true. Yeah, because the Excel actually figures it out for you. And it says that
Yeah.
everything over greater than 10.
Yeah, I was not sure about that. It was like true or false.
Let's see.
Like 12.
And then the null hypothesis is going to be that P1 is equal to P2, and then the alternative is going to be P1 is less than P2.
Yeah, P1 is less than P2.
So true. And then the last one. And then for number 14, they want you to find the P1, and that's 0.41, 0.141.
141. I can't even talk. Yeah, I know. It's the same that we did with the one before, right? Just to find the P had 1, P had 2.
Yeah, the other one is 0.145.
Yes. And then we'll find the Z score.
Yeah, the Z score is a negative 2.020.
Okay, yeah, because it says it's 3 decimals, right?
Yeah.
So I just have negative. Is negative or no? Yeah, 2.02. No, yes. I don't know what happened with me. I just see the numbers, but I said something totally different.
That's fine. You're having to figure out this and another language. You're good.
Okay, negative 2.0. Oh no, 0.020.
Negative 2.020.
Yeah.
All right. And then you're going to shade it to the left because we're saying that it's less than.
Yeah, and to the left, right?
And then
P1 is less than P2. That's why it's to the left.
Yes.
Where is it? Yeah.
And the p-value for the test is 0.022.
0.022. Yeah. Yes.
And then we want,
Right.
so if the p-value is 0.022 and we wanted it to be 0.05, we're going to reject it.
But reject. Yeah, sometimes I know, like, I'm not sure about if it's fail, reject. It's confused. I have to go back
and then if you reject the null, then you have sufficient evidence for the alternative. So sufficient evidence, the third one down.
The third?
Because we're trying. Okay. What does it say? What's the difference? Heart attack is less than the proportion of patients who have a heart attack when admitted on the weekend who die.
Yeah.
And then do one of you guys that? Katie, do you want to submit it and see if you got 100%? Because
Yeah,
I already
yes,
submitted.
yes.
Did you submit once already?
Not me. No, I didn't. I'm gonna do it right now, okay?
Okay.
Let me save all the responses. As
I'm almost
Moses
done.
says, we wish we can give this exam together.
Exactly. Yes.
Group exam, you know. We okay.
What was answer number 3? I didn't catch that one.
Number
It's
3.
it was 0.743. I wrote down all my questions, my answers.
Okay. Well, I'm glad I finally got the
Okay.
Excel to pull up right as we finish.
Okay, we missed one. Let me see which one is it.
That one that none of us knew about. I'll bet money. The number 4, number 5. No, number 6. Was it number 6?
Let me see. Supposedly here we have the answer. Well, I think everything is correct, but I don't know why. I don't know. Okay, 2, 1, 0. Oh, number 9. Number 9 probably wrong. Number 9, I put 1.85.
Number 9?
Yeah, for some reason I put that number.
Number 9, let me see, because I went 0.18.
It's 3 decimals. So it's 1.850.
No. Punto 185.
Yeah. But it says
That's,
round to 3 decimals places.
yeah. So punto 185.
Yeah, but it says it's wrong. For
Huh.
some reason it's wrong. Yeah.
Okay. So let me put these numbers back in here again then.
Okay.
So we
Well,
have
it's like 0.5 less than it's okay.
52 and 70 and 42 and 59. And that one was not equal to, and 0.185. That's what my Excel's telling me. And it's saying
point 1. I put 1.85. So I put the point between the 1 and the 8.
no.
It's the point before the 1.
Ryan, did you submit?
Not yet. I was typing in the stuff to see if I can get the same answers. Make sure I'm understanding correctly.
Yeah, Pauline, I think what happened is that I put the 1.85 and then the point is before the 1 maybe.
Yeah. So tell me though, Katie, I still don't understand number 6. We got it right, but I don't know how we got it right. How did you get the estimate of the 95%?
Let me see. I can't remember how I think, well, I have something written down here that said that P1 minus P1 minus P2 and that divided by 2. Let's see if you can get that.
1, 2 equals. Actually, it's just the 0.1 minus the 0.2. You don't divide it. When you divide it, it's of error. When you take the upper bound and the lower bound and you subtract those, divide them by 2. But where did you hear about the p hat minus p hat 1 minus p hat 2 equals the point estimate? Where was?
I think it wasn't the video that he was explaining that. I think it wasn't the first video that he was saying like you have to do this and then you have to do that to find the lower and the upper. But
Okay, all right.
Yeah, for logic, at first I said P1 minus P2, and then he said something. I said, okay, I have to divide it. But I don't know. I can't remember how I get this. Maybe I didn't. I just didn't divide it.
Yeah, no, that one you didn't divide. The margin of error, you divided upper from the lower and then divided it by 2. But we got the right answer dividing the P hat 1 minus the P hat 2. And that was the point estimate. So
Yeah.
perfect. So we got 100.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. No, that's
perfecto.
Yes. And then you guys were good with the assignments for the final project.